Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate data entry with UiPath, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have UiPath Studio installed on your computer. Once installed, open UiPath Studio to begin a new project. Click on Process to start a new automation project. Name your project something recognizable, like Data Entry Automation. Select a suitable location to save your project files. After naming your project, click Create to set it up. You will be taken to a new workflow design area. On the left side, locate the Activities panel. To automate data entry, you'll need to use several key activities. Start with the Open Application activity. Drag this activity into the main workflow area. In the Properties panel, browse to select the application you want to automate. Next, add the type into activity. This activity allows you to enter text into fields within your application. Configure the type into activity by specifying the target field. You can use the Indicate on Screen option to choose the exact field. After adding the text, ensure you set the necessary properties, such as delay between keys. Continue your automation by adding more type into activities for additional fields. For drop-down fields, use the Select Item activity. Configure it to target the drop-down and set the required item to be selected. After entering all necessary data, add the Click activity to submit the form. Indicate the button that completes the data entry process. Review your workflow for any errors and correct them as needed. To test your automation, click the Run button in the ribbon. Watch as UiPath executes the data entry task. If adjustments are needed, revisit the workflow and edit as required. Save your project regularly to avoid losing progress. Once satisfied with the performance, your data entry automation is complete. You are now ready to leverage UiPath for automating data entry tasks efficiently. Explore further functionalities as you grow more comfortable with the UiPath platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.